welcome back, guys. Finally back on the old DRZ. Been ripping the gas chest quite a bit. Just got done with the Kelly Canyon race. That was fun. Treat it more like a trail ride than anything. It's in my videos, but yeah, it's been nice to get out on the DRZ as well. And beautiful day, high of like 74. Really windy earlier. Nice rain this morning. Just checking out the dirt, see how it is. And yeah, maybe we'll get some shots from the GoPro as well on the tripod. So some cool, you know, flybys and stuff like that. Anyways, what's new on the bike? Put my old WR400S bars on instead of the Pro Tapers. Those were, it actually had more of a, the bend was a little bit flatter. I also raised it up. I don't know if you can see that in the sun or not, but raised it up a little bit. It's a little janky, but it's about an inch higher than it was. A little tight here in the throttle cables, but we're testing that out today, just going for a cruise. Other than that, key relocate right up here, and then I just got rid of the blinkers because I don't plan on riding street. So or at least, you know, not that much, but yeah, out here to have some fun. So thanks for tuning in. Sun today, but yeah, just by moving those bars up about an inch, it's so much more comfortable standing, which is what this bike is for. It's just more of a dual sport, cruise around, you know, rip it when you can, and yeah, so we're gonna give this a shot today. Shabby. I think that goes to a neighborhood. Yeah, this is the New River neighborhood. So interesting because you can't get over here from Anthem. You actually have to go all the way around New River Road or cross through the desert right there. So that's kind of interesting. Sure, why not? And we're up. Looks like somebody tried to make some single track there. Yeah, alright. The electric start model, you know, in Minnesota we didn't have a lot of you know, dirt bike trails or routes or anything like that, so that's what I had. And I always wanted a sport quad. I grew up watching Huevos, and Huevos 7 was one of my favorite movies of all time. And so when I turned 18, finally bought one, and that's kind of what sparked my interest in, you know, motorsports in general. And then we moved down here. Dirt bikes are king. So, I mean, I've only seen a handful of people out here with sport quads, and unfortunately it's a dying breed. I don't know, there's been talk that Yamaha might make another sport for, I don't know, Yamaha is the only one left that makes sport quads. Like the Raptor 700 and the YFC 450. Suzuki went out a while back. A lot of people are like, hey, why didn't Suzuki just put the LTZ400 engine in this bike? Because that one's fuel injected and this one isn't. But, you know, honestly, this is the bulletproof engine. I don't know, you know, what else to say there. And then Honda, I think, retired the TRX 450 and 400 in 2014, which really sucks because that was a fun platform. Honestly, if they hadn't made it while I moved down here, I probably would have picked up that instead of one of these, and then we probably wouldn't even be talking right now. But, you know, thank God I picked up the old DRZ, was able to explore and kind of figure out riding on my own too. So, and now we're racing. You know, not very fast, but I'm having fun with it, and I'm training hard for racing purposes in the gym, and then met some cool dudes out here to ride with. Mostly on the two-stroke, the gas. No one really wants to do the slow dual sport adventures. It really sucks. I do like this kind of riding, but I suppose, you know, I ride with younger guys. One older guy, I'm two older guys, but we're all around the same age for the most part. But yeah, everyone likes to go fast, and I like to just cruise sometimes and enjoy myself and enjoy the desert. So anyways, here we are to our fun little playground area, or so flat track type, revving to the moon. Hopefully not get hit by a truck or a side-by-side over here. To park area, see what's over yonder. So far though, I really like the new bar setup and the risers, the 1-inch risers, so that helps quite a bit. Opens up the cockpit a little bit. Let's see if this motherfucker's gonna stop. I'm still a little wary riding on the street a little bit. No one pays attention these days. And we're back. Have to soften the front suspension a bit. I'm about 4 clicks out from the stiffest. shots in there too. Yeah, I love the bar setup. It's much better, taller, but still I can get in that aggressive stance or aggressive riding, which is great. So feels good, everything. I might have to adjust the clutch lever, go down a little bit when I'm standing. It doesn't feel great. And that's the other thing, I need to get the AIS or the emissions removed on this guy, because occasionally it backfires so powerfully. If I'm standing up, it pushes me over the bars, so more over the bars more, I should say. In college was lovely.